Several Miami doctors are traveling to school districts to tackle staff concerns before in-person classes start. And welcome to this Monday edition of 5 on 2. While some districts actually started today, others will welcome students back in the coming days.
To alleviate some concern and address new challenges, Premier Health is sending doctors to the schools to answer staff questions in person. 2 News reporter Adam Rife sat in on one of the visits today. He's live at Butler High School.
Dr. Joseph Allen spoke to about 100 teachers and staff today. He says he's done 4 of these sessions so far, and several more are scheduled in the days ahead. He said he's getting tough questions, thorough questions, and the conversation is evolving as we learn more about the virus.
The question is not, is it going to spread? It will. That's the nature of this, and it's just a matter of time.
Premier Health's Dr. Joseph Allen says answering questions from Miami Valley teachers has sparked important conversations. He's helped quell fears and sharpen the focus as the first day of school approaches, and the conversation is evolving.
Even over the last couple of weeks, some of the data has become a little more clear. We've had different questions based on different stories that have hit the news, and so that's always good, is to keep us on our feet.
Dr. Allen says he tries to connect with the staffers, saying he understands their fears. He's a parent. His wife is a teacher.
Yeah, I happen to be a doc. I happen to be seeing patients here in Vandalia, but I also have a family as well that I, probably have the same worries that they do.
He avoids political debates and won't directly refute a specific district's policies, but he says one of the most common concerns is about finding reliable data from trusted sources.
What does the data mean? We hear a lot of these, like, oh my gosh, there's increased rates of COVID. A lot of that can be explained by other things.
Without a vaccine, Dr. Allen says 95 to 98% of the population should expect to be infected with the coronavirus at some point, so he wants to make sure people are realistic and prepared.
I think there is a bit of a misnomer out there, some belief that, well, if I do this and I do this and I do this, I'll have no chance of ever seeing this. And it's just not true.
Now, Dr. Allen is one of several doctors from Premier Health that are canvassing the area to go to schools that request it. Any teacher can sit in on these discussions, not just teachers at the schools that are hosting them. Live in Vandalia, Adam Rife, 5 on 2.